Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through on what you need to know first before running GLPI on Hostgator. Right? There are a few things you should know before you spend your time setting everything up. While Hostgator can work for GLPI in some situations, it's definitely not the right choice for everyone. Right? In this video, I will explain what GLPI is, whether Hostgator is a good hosting option, the pros and cons, and who should and shouldn't use it. Let's get started. First of all, if you're new to GLPI, here is a quick overview. GLPI is an open source IT asset management and help desk platform. Businesses use it to keep track of computers, servers, software licenses, network equipment, printers, and pretty much every IT asset they own. They also include basically ticket management, knowledge bases, project management, features, inventory tools, reporting, and automation, making it a popular solution for IT teams. The nice thing is that it's free to use, but you need somewhere to host it if you are running your own installation. So that's where HostGator comes in, right? The short answer is yes, you can run GLPI on HostGator, right? Since GLPI is built with PHP and MySQL, HostGator's hosting environment is generally compatible. If you're using a VPS or dedicated server from HostGator, you have much more flexibility to configure PHP versions, database settings, scheduled tasks, and other server requirements that GLPI may need. If you're using shared hosting, things become a little more limited. So small personal projects or testing environments may work fine, but larger organizations with lots of assets, users, and support tickets will probably outgrow shared hosting fairly quickly. Performance depends heavily on the hosting plan you choose. So, there are several reasons people consider HostGator for GLPI. First, it's beginner friendly, right? The hosting dashboard is pretty much simple to navigate, making it easier for people who aren't experienced with server administration. Second, if you're just learning GLPI or running a small organization, it can be budget-friendly starting point. Another advantage is one-click tools like cPanel, database management, email accounts, backups, and other features that simplify server management. HostGator also offers VPS and dedicated hosting if your GLPI installation grows over time. That gives you an upgrade path without immediately moving to another provider. Now let's talk about the limitations. GLPI isn't just a simple website. As your inventory grows and more technicians begin using the system, it becomes much more demanding on your server. Shared hosting plans can struggle with slower response times, limited server resources, restricted background processes, limited control over server configuration. If you're planning to manage hundreds or thousands of assets, performance should be one of your biggest considerations. Another factor is scalability. Businesses that expect significant growth may eventually need cloud hosting for a higher performance VPS solution instead of traditional share hosting. So while HostGator works, the hosting plan matters just as much. The hosting plan matters just as much as the hosting company itself. So who should use HostGator for GLPI? If you're learning GLPI, running a small business, your IT environment is relatively small, you're testing before deploying company-wide, you plan to use VPS instead of basic shared hosting. You may want to consider more powerful hosting solutions if your organization depends heavily on GLPI every day or manages a large number of devices. So, is HostGator good for GLPI? I'd say yes, with the right expectations. For small deployments, testing, or learning that platform, it can be a solid option. For larger businesses with demanding workloads, you will likely get better long-term performance from VPS, dedicated server, or cloud infrastructure with more resources and flexibility. The important thing is choosing hosting that matches the size of basically your company, right? basically, yeah, that's it. And check the link in the description, or check the link in the description to explore the available hosting plans and compare the different options. If this review helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hosting and software reviews, and let me know in the comment what you're planning to use GLPI for. I'd love to hear about your setup. Thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.